So with that in mind, I'll invite us all to take a few moments together. And if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. If that's uncomfortable, I invite you to find a spot on the ground or on the chair in front of you to soften your gaze. Just allow my words to guide you. So we begin by noticing our breath. That great breath of life. To notice in that breath how we all share the same air. That same air has been recycled and moved through all of humanity for centuries. Just bring your attention to the water. That same water. It's the same water that's always been available. We are more one than divided. So what there is for us to do is bring that awareness, that oneness, into all parts of our being. And so I invite you to bring your attention to your lower back, where strength resides. And just imagine that right there in that spot is that strength, that ability to love. There's strength in the ability for peace. There's strength there for your ability to find joy. There's strength there for you to see everyone as part of your community. And from there, I invite you to place one hand on your heart space, whatever feels most comfortable. And just breathe into that space. Allow your breath to fill up your heart space. Bringing honor and gratitude to this amazing heart that has remained beating in your chest for your entire existence. Every day, every moment without fail. And to see this as that place where love resides, where that harmonizing power of love lives within you. And just imagine that there is a line going straight from your heart to the small of your back, supporting one another. The strength to love and the ability to soften that strength with love. Ready to take a nice deep breath in. Let that go. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back to this space and time. Namaste.